Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your tools. Install the Voice Changer app or plugin and confirm it's the latest release. Once done, connect your microphone and headphones and set them as the default input and output in the operating system. Make sure to close other audio programs that might lock the device. If you run into immediate audio errors, restart the system audio service or reboot. This clears driver conflicts and ensures the app can claim the microphone when you proceed. Now you configure input and effects inside the app. Select your connected microphone as the input source, then choose an effect preset that matches the voice you want. Next, adjust pitch and form it to sculpt timbre, add small reverb for natural space, and tweak EQ if available. Enable real-time monitoring so you hear changes immediately. Finally, set buffer size low for minimal latency, but increase slightly if you get glitches. This balances responsiveness and stability. Finish by routing the processed audio to your target. Set the Voice Changer's virtual audio device as the output in system settings or directly in the app you'll use for chat or streaming. Then test in the target application. Speak and confirm the altered voice is transmitted. If it works, save your profile. If not, check microphone permissions, update audio drivers, and ensure the virtual device is selected. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce buffer size.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.